Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore all things Ireland from travel tips to skincare hacks. If you're looking for information on Ireland visa process or any other Ireland related questions, make sure to check this video above. And if you're thinking, how do I get this glow on my skin, that too natural without any gua sha or any products, then you have to check out this video here. In today's video, I'll be sharing important insights on how you can apply for a Ppsn card in Ireland and what are the documents you'll need. So, if you're planning to work or access public services here, this information is for you. Keep on watching. Before we dive into the application process, make sure you have an account on mygovid.ie. If you don't have one yet, head over to mygovid.ie and create an account. Once you're all set up, let's move on. The first step is to go to services.mywelfare.ie. Here you'll find a section called Accessing PPS number. This is the number of personal public service number that you need to get a job and access public services. Once done, click on Proceed. On the next page, click on PPS and then select Apply. Once it is done, complete the application process. Now let's talk about the documents that you will need for this application. First is identity proof. You will need your passport as your identity proof. Second, you'll need why you need a PPS number. That can be a college letter or an employment letter, basically an offer letter, which will be signed by your employer or college which has a registered number. Some of the examples of why you may need a PPS number includes applying for social welfare payments, accessing medical services, applying for or exchanging a driver's license, accessing other public services, registering for any course or school. The next you will be needing is the address proof. You need to provide evidence of your address and that document should not be older than 3 months. Acceptable documents are household utility bill official letter or document, financial statement, lease property or tenancy agreement, confirmation of an address by the third party. If you're staying with your friends or relatives, you can use an original household bill along with the note from the bill holder confirming your residence. The note can be written on the bill itself. Once you have gathered all the required documents, you can proceed with the application process. Fill out the necessary information as prompted and make sure to double check for accuracy. After submitting your application, you will receive a reference number. Keep this number safe as you may need it for future inquiries or updates regarding your application. And it is also asked by your employer once you get on the job. And that's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need any further clarification, please feel to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my informative videos, also on upcoming exciting videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.